second ago, Elliot was wiggling on his carpet in the cutest way. Of course, now the camera's on, he won't do it. That's great. Cover your face. Cover your face for the whole world to see. There we go. He's wiggling. Hey, Elliot. Show us your little wiggle. Oh, cute. Show us your wiggle. Show us your wiggle. Show us your wiggle. Say bye. Say bye-bye.